Hi guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will go through the day 23 problem from the June LeetCoding challenge. Count complete tree nodes. Please like the video, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update. Given a complete binary tree, count the number of nodes. In a complete binary tree, every level except possibly the last is completely filled, and all the nodes in the last level are as far left as possible. It can have between 1 to 2 edge nodes inclusive at the last level edge. The naive solution here will be traverse all the node and increase the count while traversal. It can be done as follows. If the root is null, we return 0. Else, we recursively call the function on left and right of the root while increasing the count by adding 1 to it. Let's see it visually. Let's take this tree. We will begin with the root node. As it is not null, our recursion stack will add the call to left and right of the node 1, which in turn calls for the left and right for node 2. As 4 is again not null, the function gets called again. But as 4 is a leaf node, the left and right for 4 will be null. Thus, the function on left and right will return 0. The values for node 4 will get substituted in the recursion stack, and the function for node 5 will now be initiated. This continues till we have calculated the values for the root node. At the end, we get the value 5 and return it. The time complexity for this algorithm is O of n, while the space complexity is O of log n. We will now try to reduce the complexity by using the property of complete binary tree. For a complete binary tree, every level of the tree is completely filled except possibly the last one. Also, the nodes would appear to be filled from left to right. So, all the nodes in the last level are as far left as possible. By taking these factors into consideration, we can say that the first one is a complete binary tree while the second one is not. Let's take the previous example and try to optimize it. In a binary tree, maximum number of nodes at depth d will be equal to 2 raised to d. And as we saw that all the levels except the last is completely filled in a complete binary tree, the total number of nodes in all the levels except the deepest level will be 2 raised to depth minus 1 always. And the total number of nodes in the tree will be 2 raised to d minus 1 plus the nodes in the deepest level. Instead of counting all nodes, we need to count the number of nodes in last level. We can use binary search to optimize it. To apply binary search on the last level, let's focus only on that part. We will enumerate the nodes starting from 0 and use binary search to construct the sequence of moves. Suppose we want to find if the node enumerated as 1 exists in the tree. We can see that we can have 4 nodes at depth 2 with values enumerated from 0 to 3. We can see that 1 is present in the left side of the mid. So we will first move left. Now again breaking it further, 1 lies in the right of the mid. So we move right. As we have reached the depth required, we will check if the node is null. Since it is not, we can say that the node exists. Going further, we will use this method to find if the node at a given level exists or not. Working with the same example, if we calculate the depth, it will be 2. And we know we can have maximum 2 raised to 2, that is 4 nodes at the depth 2. So to apply binary search, we will assign left and right to 1 and 4. The mid here will be 2. Now we will try to find if the node with enumerated index 2 exists in the tree using the binary search approach we saw earlier. As it does not, we move our right pointer to mid. Now the mid becomes 1. As this exists, we will move our left pointer to mid plus 1. Now as the left is not less than right, our looping condition will fail and we will return left from our method. The final count will be 2 raised to d minus 1 plus left, which gives us 5. Here's the algorithm. We first find the depth. If the depth is 0, we return 1. Else, we perform the binary search to calculate the number of nodes at the deepest depth. Finally, we return the sum of nodes in depth minus 1 plus the nodes in the deepest depth. The time complexity for this approach is O of log square n, while the space complexity is O of 1. Here's the code snippet. Also, check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment what you think about the video.